Guys, that's Maci. This is Johnny. So we put a little mini motor on the bicycle, and I think it's gonna work. She's gonna ride to me without pedaling. You're gonna ride to me without pedaling. Come on, Maci. And it's gonna be freaking awesome. See, there she goes. She's riding without pedaling. Come here, Maci. Now you gotta, Maci. So now you say, we don't even have a motor. Just kidding. We pranked you. Look, the chain's not even on. She was riding downhill. Ha, suckers. Okay, just kidding. Our loyal, most loving viewers. Anyway. We can't pedal. Somebody help us fix our bike. Alright.
Wait, don't.
Okay, we're going to do other stuff, guys. So what are we doing here?
Johnny, now, just film me going down the whole hill.
So I guess we're going to put a couple minutes onto this video so it has sustenance. And, so what are we doing? So we got...
Johnny, let me hold the camera.
Okay, so Maci wants to hold the camera.
Johnny.
What's up, guys?
Guys, we're gonna, add a thing to the, the royalty family does this. I watch them on YouTube.
Okay.
Guys, make sure you go subscribe to their channel and also subscribe to ours. And so, guys, our handshake just like theirs before they start the video. They just do it too.
You do this too?
No, they do a different one, but they also do. Okay, Johnny, should you or I film?
I think I should just record you riding.
Yeah, but then they want to see
already
the
did
road.
this road. Get it. Let's hold it.
Me? Hold the road or me?
I don't know, the road. Show the road. I don't know. Show both of you. Now try to put it towards you. You got this, Maci. There you go. Pull it out. Pull it out farther. You got this.
Johnny, get it. Get it. Try to catch it.
No. Stupid bike. Hurry up and work. How do I fix the bike? Are we tortured the bike enough? Let's go. Let's take her in the video.
Okay, Johnny, can we watch this video? Bye, guys! Handshake.
Later.
Put it on me.
Okay, handshake. Hold on, wait. Wait, one more time.